Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing fantastic, and as always, I'm so excited to be back to share another video with you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go on and click that subscribe button down below. Let's get into this motivation video, guys. Just like many people, at the start of this year, I had plans, I had visions, so many plans. Some of them I've achieved, some of them I've not been able to achieve, some of them I'm working towards achieving. And I know I'm not alone. So I'm here once again to encourage you. As September is here now, we are getting into the colder months of the year for people who live in areas where it is cold. We are entering into the colder months, which means winter is almost around the corner. If you notice, there's something peculiar about the colder months. Everything is quiet, everything tends to be dull, everything tends to be sluggish. You even see, if you go outside, the leaves start withering. You see a lot of brown leaves, dead leaves. It's not as energetic, it's not as bubbly as the warmer months, which will be the summer, even coming into autumn. The truth is, our lives really can be like winter in the winter months. Because this is the time a lot of us feel cold and down in our spirit. Cold, dull, discouraged. A lot of us tend to be like that. We tend to look at life like, oh God, I've not achieved so much since the January. All these plans, all these visions, all these goals, I've not achieved them. But I want to encourage you. One of the things I always do when it comes to anything in life is that I commit everything into the hand of the Father, the one who made all seasons, spring, summer, autumn, and even the dull, cold winter months. I just say, I surrender. I can't do anything by myself or by my strength. I surrender everything to Him. Then I go ahead and make a plan. I write my plans, I write my visions, I write the goals I want to achieve. I write them down. And thirdly, I like to pray about all those dreams and goals and visions. I pray about them. There's something so magical about prayers. No matter how small it is, it works. Pray about everything that you have planned for your life, for yourself. Through this prayer, you tend to feel motivated and encouraged to go and achieve it. Then I like to encourage myself. It is my life. It is my dream. It is my vision. I encourage myself to go and work towards this dream. The thing is, if you don't work towards achieving something, you can't achieve anything. My husband likes to say that it is when you don't start something that you don't look forward to finishing anything. What is it you truly want to achieve in this September? Even though it's a cold month, for people who live in areas where it's cold, what do you want to achieve? Pray about them, write them down. Encourage yourself to work towards that. Another thing I love to do is to look for bodies that we can encourage ourselves. If you can't find a body, look for a group of people who want to achieve the same goal as yourself. Put yourself in their midst and let them hold you accountable. It's very important to surround yourself with people who can cheer you on, who can motivate you, who can encourage you, who can push you to go achieve that dream. Be careful. Don't choose a group of people who are not going anywhere. One of the things I do, I love to look for mentors in different areas of my life. Finance coach or finance mentor, career coach or career mentor. I have people who are younger than me that I look up to. It may sound corny, but that is the truth. I look for people who are going at a great pace in their lives, who are achieving so much, who are very disciplined. I attach myself to them and learn from them and ask questions. A lot of times in life, a lot of us are not humble enough to ask questions or take advice. Humble yourself and take advice for people who know more than you. They may be older than you and they may be younger than you. Don't look down on anybody's ideas and achievements and skills. Learn from them. Another thing I love to do is that I don't abuse privileges. What does that mean? You see someone is giving you easy access to them. They'll say, come to me anytime you have any questions and come and ask me. Don't choke them with your needs. Contribute as well. Volunteer to help them. Give them opportunity to serve them. That is one of the things I do from the people that I learn from. I offer to help them in return. I suggest things to them as well. I help them in areas where they might need help as well. And finally, always remember that it is your responsibility and duty to achieve anything you want to achieve. Nobody is going to do it for you. And I'm telling you, everything is possible, everything is doable, everything is attainable. There's no goal that is too big for you to achieve. There's nothing that God has laid in your heart that you can achieve. You just have to put your mind to it and do it. Sometimes you have to make sacrifices, like sleep late and wake up early. Like, don't buy that thing you need, invest in yourself. Sometimes, depending on your goal, you won't have to eat that food and stay on that diet, depending on the goal you want to achieve. Because goals come in different areas. It could be fitness, it could be monetary, it could be career. Whatever your goal is, some of the pointers that I've shared will be able to help you in achieving those goals. As the winter month is here, don't let your life be dull. Don't let your energy be dull or dingy or dark. Encourage yourself, rise up and go get it. God is counting on you because He can do it. So, I believe in you, and let me tell you, the plans that God has for you, they are for good and not for evil, to give you hope and to bring you to an expected end. My prayer for you this month is that God will provide all your needs according to His riches and glory in Jesus' name. As always, I love you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please feel free to share with your friends and family. It's all free, and you can catch up with me on all my social media platforms. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go on and click the subscribe button down below. I love you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon on my next video.